So hello everyone, this is Suran from Findadmission, and today we will be looking at how you can submit the application on Findadmission portal as a franchisee. To do that, all you have to do is log in, and after you have logged in into the platform, this is how your dashboards looks like. And to submit the application, all you have to do is to go to the application section to your left hand side and click on that. Once clicked, just click again into the Findadmission application section, and then all you have to do is click on add application, which is top right of the menu. So do this. Once you have done this is called a submit application section, or some existing application on Findadmission. To do a new application submission, all you have to do is click on this and fill out the form. So let's say I'm filling out the form for a son who is traveling to or have a study destination abroad, let's say United Kingdom, for this demonstration, and I'll just put the relevant details. That will be email address, country of residence, permanent country of citizenship, and passport number. That's gonna be that random thing. Once I have confirmed, I'll just click on continue to continue, and once I click that, the next section will be to select the study destination. So to click on that, as I mentioned earlier, I will going to be select the United Kingdom, and also while selecting, please note this selections act as filters as well. So let's say I just want to add a study label as postgraduate starting in January, so it will filter out all the universities that have this kind of study level, starting date, and the country as it filters out. So once done, let's say I have a lot of university listed for now, and for this demonstration I will go ahead and pick this Coventry University. Once done, the next step will be filling out the additional information such as contact information and sponsor details. So without wasting, I'll just go and type some details that needs to be typed in and continue. So I'll just go ahead and type a random phone number, and this sponsorship is father himself. This is gonna be his mobile phone, country of residence is United Kingdom. Wait. Okay, perfect. So this phone number is gonna be the random one, and his really email and relationship, and if they are fluent in English, you can click on here as yes. So once every set is set in, all you have to do is click on next, and that we will be into the next level. So like I said, you have to select the terms. So we have all these terms over here, and I'll just go ahead and select summer for 2026, postgraduate degree starting this January. So let's say accounting, international laws, project management. You can select 3 of the courses that the student is interested in, and click on next once you have done that. So once it goes in, the next step will be submitting these documents. So in the first here, you have the certificate of bachelor, undergraduate, or higher diploma degree, which is mandatory. Just to upload, click on here, and I will just pick random files to upload, and it gets uploaded over here. And same as the second one is the international passport data and travel documents, which is also categorized as mandatory, and I will do the same for these as well. The next is the higher secondary school certificate, and which I'll be doing the same as well. Okay, so you cannot upload the same document twice. So yeah, please take a note of that. You are not eligible to update or upload same document twice in the system. That is a kind of integrated quality control from the platform itself. And if you scroll all the way down, you can see the mandatory documents that is categorized as mandatory, and until and unless you upload all those mandatory documents, you are not allowed to move forward. So let's go ahead and fill that real quick. So yes, this is the last one. Alrighty, so we all have this here, uploaded all the documents, and you can see the list of documents is required for this program. And make sure you scroll down and have all documents in your hand before applying. So once all documents are set and uploaded, all you have to do is click on next. Once done, you can see the overview or the preview of the application that you have just completed. And here you have the student name. Let me spot that for you. Application number and basic information is over here, and the selected program and courses, and the supporting document which you have uploaded. So once it's all set in and you're confident enough to submit it, you click on submit, and it will be asking you, are you sure you want to submit the application? If you are sure enough, click on submit, and once you are done, it will take back you to the list of application that we have viewed earlier in this presentation, and there you go. So this is your application that you have just submitted, and this is how this application is submitted. So if you want to again take overview of this, you can see here, and you can see all the documents that you have uploaded. Alright, you can see the timeline of what's going on, actions, send emails to the student, and what the student is interested in. You can also add any notes if required, or you can approve the application, or once it's submitted, it gets approved, and here, yes, the application is submitted, meaning the application is submitted to the university portal, right? So let's go back to application. Yes, you can change the application status. It's what this helps is to track the application for you on the long term. And if you require to contact the student, you can do by their phone number, email, or their sponsor phone number and email. So alternately, you can also use this WhatsApp integration over here. What you have to do is just click on this, and this WhatsApp pops out, and all you have to do is this integration will take you to the WhatsApp details or the WhatsApp app, and you can start chatting with the students. So once everything is done, you are all set. You can save this application and move into the list of applications that you have here. Okay. Yes, you have. Yes, so as status updates, your application is also get updated likewise, and you are all set. And also to view our partner institute, you can go there. The reason why I'm going into the partner universities is you can also browse the partner university and submit the application from here itself as well. Alright, so let's see how this Coventry University looks like. You can see the information and you can see all the courses that this university has for you, to let you know what and which university to target to. So like this, you have all the details of the university, tuition detail as well for undergrad is all listed here. Similarly for postgrad, it's always listed here. And again, if there is any relevant details or any additional information that comes in the key information section where you can take advantage of, or alternately you can also visit our website. And if you're convinced enough to start the application, what you have to do is you have to click on apply now and just start the process. So the process is reset back to how we started earlier in this presentation, and the steps are all the same to the end of submitting the application. So technically there are two ways of submitting the application. Number one is submitting the applications from this application section. So you have to use this once things are all narrowed down and students are quite confident of which university they want to go in and what study they want to go in, right? Whereas if you have to browse the partner institute and see what they have to offer, you can go into the partner institute and explore our partner universities in Findadmission platform. Having said that, we are almost all set and ready to start working on this application sector. Thank you.